Hey guys, Tech Control with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert or install a new SIM card on your iPhone 15 Pro or any of the iPhone 15 lineup that you have with the physical SIM tray that's available only in the models outside of the US. So here I have iPhone 15 Pro. I'm going to show you where the physical SIM card would be located and how to install one if you have a iPhone 15 with that SIM card. But before you can do that, first thing is, in your box here, when you unbox it, you'll see a pamphlet like this, right? If you do see a pamphlet like this and open it up, it will tell you if you have a eSIM card, which this one does, it will come up with this pamphlet. Now, if you have one with a physical SIM card, it's going to have a physical, this little piece, which is basically the SIM remover tool. That's basically will take out the SIM tray here. Now, if you don't have this, you can also use a paper clip or something, but we'll get this out here to show you how to remove and then install a new SIM card. So if you have a physical SIM card, and the other way to check on your phone is going to be really simple here. I'm going to show you this model that we bought. This is in the US, which doesn't have the physical SIM card. So if you need to activate an eSIM card, I'll leave a link for another video on how to do a activation of an eSIM card. But if you have the physical SIM card, on your left hand side with the action button and the volume up and volume down button is, there's going to be a little pin here with the tray outline of it, similar to this one here. This is iPhone 12 that has a physical SIM card. Up to the iPhone 13 models in the US, they had a physical SIM card, but then they removed it starting with the iPhone 14 and later. So if you have a physical SIM card, you'll see a hole on the 15 line up just like this. So you'll see here an outline and then a hole. And in order to install a new SIM card on your iPhone 15, assuming that you have the model with the physical SIM card, you'll take that tool that you have, or like a bent paper clip, which will also work, or a little earring piece, basically anything that can go in there. You're going to give a nice gentle push, and if you do a nice push, it's going to pop out the SIM card tray just like that, and you can just pull it out, right? And you get a SIM tray that's like this, a small tray. The 15 lineup takes a nano size SIM card. So if you have it from an existing phone or your carrier, you'll take this SIM card here, and then what you'll do is you'll see some lettering here and flip it upside down till you see the brass or the metal piece, and then you're just going to simply lay it there. So the key here is you'll see a cut corner. You're going to lay it flat against the cut corner just like that. And it should be simple as this. Sit flush, and then the installation is the same exact way as you did the removal. You'll line up the hole here, press it in there, and then if you have a physical SIM card that has service, it will activate and start working for you. Of course, like I said, this 15 Pro here doesn't have one because we got it in the US market. But if you're out of the US in another country like Canada or anywhere international model, they'll have the actual physical SIM card, and you can do the same exact process for it. So I hope this quick little video was helpful on how to insert and install a new SIM card. If so, please make the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.